Hi, yaar.
Hey, what are you thinking that deeply? Even not noticing my friend?
Actually, I'm thinking that this typical type of building resembles some geometrical shape from a mathematical textbook. Do you have any idea regarding this? If so, please could you help me out, dear?
Yes, I will surely help you. Maths is all around us. It's almost impossible to think of something that's made without the help of mathematics. Buildings, transport, technology, and even clothes and food all rely on measurements, numbers, and sums. From simple shelters to futuristic cities, this all depends on mathematics. Three figures of the plane: the triangle, the circle, and the square. Recall that in 2500 BC, the pharaoh dreams of one of the wonders, and through the creative line of the architect, the triangle becomes a pyramid and drawn throughout antiquity. In the same way, a circle of whose points are equidistant from the center absorbs its simplicity. It's from it's drawn from Ferris wheel, which becomes a landmark of city London at present. A huge cookie in Abu Dhabi and a pile of pancakes in New Library in Sydney. At last, the square. In tri-dimensional world, square becomes a cube or cuboid that are volumes that through the ease of their representation, celerity of calculation and execution. This is how wonderful and attractive constructions are coming up from the basic shapes. And in the same way, the building we are thinking of has also come up with the same basic geometrical.
Oh, it means mathematics make up constructions and a simple shape turned into a wonder by great brains of mathematicians linked with skillful and talented architects.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, dear.
Hey mate, I too recognize some of the greatest and attractive buildings and constructions. Let's have a look at them here.
Oh, is it? Okay.
First one is parabola. It is flat curve to be defined as the group of points that are equidistant from a point and a line. It's quite simple actually. We come across lines in everyday lives from shore to shore, suspended bridges. The Cathedral of Brasilia by the architect Oscar Niemeyer. It was built between 1958 and 1970, and each of these 16 reinforced concrete pillars weighs in at 90. The Burj Khalifa, the Y-shaped, is a hexagonal core with three wings attached, each consisting of four bays. This also became a prominent attraction of Dubai. And I'm also feeling proud to say that my father has worked in that project almost 2.5 years.
Wow, that's really a great collection, my friend. I'm so fortunate by listening about Uncle's effort.
And thank you, dear, for giving me a brief explanation regarding the basic shape and logic conversion to a great construction.
That's fine, buddy. Now, we discussed about the basic math and mathematical reference in big constructions like dams, bridges, and more. It was a knowledgeable one, right?
And here is the small PPT presentation related to our standard construction.